You didn't wake up in pain, but something still feels off. Heavy, foggy, like your body got up, but your mind stayed in bed. This morning, we reconnect breath to body, so you don't just start the day, you own it. Let's hit the mat. Some mornings don't need force, they need permission to slow down. This pose gives your body that permission. Kneel with big toes together, knees wide, walk your arms forward, forehead down to the mat. Let your hips melt back towards your heels. Breathe into your lower ribs. You're going to feel a gentle traction in your spine, expansion through your ribs, softness across the lower back. This resets your breath and grounds your nervous system so you don't carry yesterday into today. This stillness is just the beginning. Next, we're waking up your core and glutes from the ground up. Stay with your exhale for 5 full seconds, slow and steady. Can you feel your breath press against your thighs? That just anchored your breath. Now let's build some energy. This isn't just a strength move, it's a wake-up call for your posterior chain. And if you sit a lot, this one is a non-negotiable. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat, arms by your side. Press into your heels to lift your hips up. Squeeze your glutes at the top, then lower with control. Repeat with rhythm and breath. You're going to feel your glutes activating, hip flexor opening, core engaging to stabilize. Strong, awake glutes protect your spine, improve posture, and make every other movement safer. Most lower back pain isn't about the back, it's weak glutes doing nothing to support it. Squeeze and hold at the top. Can you stay there for 5 seconds? Are you using your glutes or letting your lower back do the lifting? That just activated your base. Now let's rotate through the hips. Most routines train external rotation, but internal rotation, that's the secret sauce. This unlocks balance, joint health, and smoother walking mechanics. Sit with your knees bent, feet flat, hands planted behind you. Drop your right knee towards your left foot, then return to center. Lower to the other side. Move slowly, no rushing. You're going to feel a deep pull inside the hip joint, slight activation through your core and glutes. Internal rotation is crucial for stability. Ignore it and your joints take the hit. Up next, we're stacking hip freedom with rotational strength. On your feet. Keep your feet planted and glutes down, then pause at the bottom for 5. Can you feel the difference between your right and left side? That just reached your rotation. Now let's take that control upright. Now we test your control in motion. This is a full body challenge, but your hips and spine are the heroes. Sink into a deep squat, feet shoulder width, toes slightly out. Place one hand on the floor, rotate the other arm up toward the sky. Return to center, switch sides. Keep your chest lifted, heels grounded. You're going to feel a stretch in the ankles, hips, and spine, and a twist through the thoracic. This boosts ankle mobility, spinal rotation, and postural strength, all in one move. This flow lights up your core without ever doing a single crunch. Can you slow the twist and reach an inch further? Hold it. 5 seconds. Is your core helping or hiding? That just unlocked your rotation under tension. Now let's cool it down and go inward. This is where you pause and process. It's not just about the hips, it's about resetting your base before you rise. Sit tall, bring soles with your feet together. Let your knees drop open. Hold your ankles and lengthen through your spine. Fold forward gently, if possible. You're going to feel your inner thigh stretch, a grounded breath, and calm energy returning. This opens the pelvis and stimulates your parasympathetic nervous system, your rest and digest mode. This is your launch pad. Tomorrow's reset builds on this openness. Gently press the knees toward the floor. Breathe and hold for 5. Is your breath deeper now than when you started? That just recenters your foundation. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily spread flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.